do'stlar. Salom do'stlar. Bugun biz Dream Lego Color короче tilimga ming. Biz boshlaymiz. Men birinchi ret o'ynab turim. Birinchi ret endi kichkina o'ynadim, biroq o'ta qattiq yaxshi o'ynayman deb aytolmayman. Вообще o'ynayman, do'stlar. Men endi nechta o'qidik. Guys, komandam Johnny White. Guys, energiyasiz. Do'stlarim, meni listga o'tirib qo'yib, aytib kuch-quvvat azaydi. Oxshaydi do'stlar. Qanday o'ysam bo'ladi? Do'stlar, videoga o'yinda boshlaytingizda nechta ekan men söyleme oynayayım. Al. Najaq, niyaka najaq, qiziljaq.
Not surprisingly, there's a huge crowd for the meeting of these two sides. The team lineups have been announced. Let's see how they weigh up against each other. The manager's playing a 4-5.
Do'stlar, alket.
It is absolutely buzzing here. The next 90 minutes
Oy,
should be captivating.
Oy ya. Bastam yatıp çalvatım yok. Oyna otursa oyna bilmiyor.
Striker's ball. This challenge there.
Bas
He's
kapalı.
unstoppable with the ball. It's with the striker.
Aldım.
He must score. Shoots.
Baş.
Keeper's blocked that one. He's knocked it long.
Dostlar gitti. Maç yok. Çık. Oy. Oh. O getirdi.
Let's hope for a good game.
Oy yok ya dostlar. Oynayalım ya. Oy. Focus alacak.
Is this a goal? Got a good hand behind that. Now this could be costly.
Oy yok.
Blocked that one.
Goes on. What the hell?
It's with the striker. No doubt there. That's a penalty. Oh, it's a straight red.
Solid geçsi vardı.
Which way is he going to put it?
Yapmadı evet.
Great
Oh my.
reflexes. The referee has indicated.
Oy.
Defenders back on the ball.
Yok ki. Bozdum bu gol. Yok. Tez. Do'stlar, men video tushir desangizlar, qanday temirvan bot yoqdi, qanday nemasa shaydan shimandiyar pernevoz yoqdi. Tushir desangizlar, nemasa prikol degan yoqdi. Tushir desangizlar, kommentariyaga yozib qo'yingizlar.
Now Wilson.
Ay yok.
Half-time
Suave
now,
ya
two
adam.
some goals in the second half.
Hiç kim dengi yok. Upravление команда. Қазір қызық карточка өтті. Кісі болмайды екен. Міне, неше. Управление. Высокий. Управление атакой. Dostlar artdan da hoş olsa keşanızdır. Ne istiyorum? Dostlar keşan. Geçelim. Avratkan yok mu bırak kışkını? Ne istiyor?
It's 0-0 so far. Both teams are going to try and get the breakthrough in this second half.
Yok. Aldığına koy kutu vardı. Son ne istiyorum?
Defenders back on the ball. Passed inside.
John Lobster.
Oh, determined challenge there.
Yerken oynayıver gittik. Aşağı kötü kız.
It's a tight game. Can they create something with this attack?
Offside. Kavaysın da.
Defender then back on the ball. He slipped for the ball but missed. Oh, there's an opening here.
Чуть-чуть қалғанда. Венергер. Ой-ё-моё, bir adam ne istiyor? Dostlar keşanızdır. Artdan hoş olsa yok. No. Ой, артына түсіп жатыр не?
It's level and they're on the back foot and they need to get this one away. Really good pass.
Қайсың басқаны? Қайсың мен алдайтын
Oh,
түсінбеймін.
it's a clear chance. He's onside here. He goes for goal.
Buna қуамын.
The referee's blown for full time.
Сразу бітіп қалды достар. Gözümüz.
Goes to the goalkeeper after some fine
Koy.
saves. Confident this play.
Жерде картик. Біз 41 картик кімден. Ниче болды ғой деймін. Я точно ниче болдық достар. Bir dayındау керек достар. Достар, бұны не істеуім? Командой название. Dostlar məni yerlik ördü var. Kız. Что-то самое это. Тыйды қояйық достар. Басқа не жоқ. Мен игрок емес. Ладно. Ақша керек екен. Осындай жақсы сияқты. Алло, с вами нормально. Қайттан отменить етіп тастадым достар. Не істемей жатыр что-то. Тренировка не істейікші, бастайықшы. Мен алда үйренем керек достар. Мен тренировка жасап көрмеппін.
So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game. It's with the defender now. Now Wilson. Rodriguez. It's onside here. The assistant kept his flag down. He's onside. And he's stayed onside. And with the defender now. It's with the defender now.
Ой, ай, достар.
That's a throw in. The defender's back on the ball. They're appealing, but he's onside. Is this a goal? He's onside here. The keeper collects that one. Just the goalkeeper to beat now. The assistant's kept his flag, just the keeper to beat. It's back to the
Ой, достар, кем ялды.
He chooses to throw this one out. Tries his luck from distance. He chooses to throw this one out. Great, what a chance. Oh, he's onside, he shoots. He really should be hitting the target.
Стержалик.
And he stayed onside. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. He must score. They're appealing, but he's onside. What an opportunity. And he stayed onside.
Достар, вратарь не істей жатыр.
Sends it forward. They're appealing, but he's onside. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Defender then back on the ball. They're appealing, but he's onside. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside.
Окей, достар.
Can they make it count? What a chance.
Жоқ.
Let's see what comes of this then. Can he finish it?
Достар болмай жатыр.
Great opportunity to score from this free kick. Great chance here.
Вообще
Can they
достар.
make something of this?
Вообще достар.
Now he's way weighing up his options. Sends it long. Great chance here then. Will he shoot? Great opportunity to score
Zuckman.
from this free kick. That's nicely played.
Wait.
The goalkeeper eases the pressure. Great chance here then. Will he? And here's a chance. Can they make it count? The shot's on, and there's the shot. Oh, that's well over.
Dostlar, mаған жақсы не алу керек. Бірақ ол үшін мына адамдар керек болады.
Great chance here. Gets the shot in. Oh, that's
Жоқ.
confident goalkeeping there.
Достар, мына қараңыздар.
Played wide. Now he's weighing up his options. Can he finish it? Shoots, and that's off target. Now what can he do from here? Great chance here then. Will he shoot? Confident goalkeeping there. Let's see what comes of this then. Now Wilson. This is within range then. The shot's on. Long ball then. Can they make it count? He must score. That'll be the goalkeeper's ball then. Great
Sorry.
opportunity to score from this free kick. Let's see what comes of this then. Oh, so close. Can they make it count? Let's see what comes of this then. Now, can they make...
Dostlar, sonra bizning videomiz oyoq bo'ldi.